Today, we're excited to present a pattern that follows a process akin to the checkers design we previously showcased, yet offers a completely unique appearance. The method is delightfully straightforward. We set the frame, allow the pearl powder to define the lines, and carefully remove them in a predetermined sequence. It's that simple. Let's begin with the basics. We'll swiftly move through the initial preparation phase to keep things engaging. To ensure a thorough mix, we'll transfer resin between buckets 3 times, spending approximately 1 minute per transfer. This step is crucial for achieving the desired resin effect. Next, we'll pour the mixed resin onto the MDF board, drawing a rectangular outline to follow the board's borders. We'll then push the resin towards the corners and from the corners towards the center, repeating this process until the entire board is covered. Since resin self-levels, we don't need to worry too much about initial unevenness. Timing and resin characteristics are critical in recreating these patterns. As you can hear in the video, an alarm beeps to indicate the importance of precise timing. Some resins harden faster than others, which can affect the timing. While timing is less critical for single pieces or experiments, it becomes essential when working on large orders with specific pattern and color requirements. Now, let's move on to evenly spreading the resin. We'll use a sponge inside a plastic bag to distribute the resin across the board. This step helps in the self-leveling process and ensures an equal amount of resin across the entire board. We'll work continuously from the middle towards one side or from one corner or side towards the center, without stopping. This not only creates patterns but also generates bubbles, which we'll eliminate later using a torch, heat gun, or alcohol. After waiting for the required time, we'll use a torch to remove the bubbles. Our colleague in the video demonstrates the technique, following a consistent movement pattern and shifting slightly to the right with each pass. Using the torch creates appealing shadowed areas in the resin. Although these shadows will disappear in the next step, mastering the torch technique is crucial for achieving visually striking final effects in some patterns. We'll showcase more of this in upcoming videos. Now, let's create the lines. We'll use a custom-designed frame and special string to push the pearl powder and create the line effect. We'll leave the strings in place until the lines are fully formed and the pearl powder can no longer move. method of removing the strings is crucial for creating this particular pattern. We want a wavy line rather than a straight one. So we'll remove the strings from the first side of the panel, taking away the odd-numbered strings first and then the remaining ones. This process creates a beautiful, soft, wavy effect on the lines. And that's it for this pattern. Let's take a final look at how beautifully it has turned out. If you appreciate what we've showcased here, please like, follow, and leave your comments below. If you're interested in learning how to create these patterns, we'll soon be releasing online courses for beginners, intermediate, and professional levels. With over 30 years of experience, we have several hundred patterns to share with those eager to learn.